The first step in this process is to identify your Common Core standard and break it down into main ideas. This information should be broken down into content that is obtainable for the learners so that they do not get too overwhelmed with the complexity. A lot of the time, we get focused on all the small details in what we are learning and we forget about the big picture. When you understand the big picture, it is easier to develop a strong foundation of the content. As future science teachers, it is our responsibility to make sure our students know the information and have a deep understanding, rather than just memorizing it for a short period of time. If they obtain a conceptual understanding, they will be able to continue to build on their knowledge throughout their life.
Students often question whether the concepts they are learning will come into play after their education has ended. When students learn to care, they will start to understand the importance of the content and notice the ideas being used outside of the classroom. That is why it is crucial for teachers to acknowledge that every student is unique and have their own perspectives on learning. By teachers showing they care about their students' interests, the care will be reciprocated by the students in their own learning. When it comes to learning, you get out of it as much as you put into it. As the students start to care more, they're going to be engaged and willing to participate in activities, resulting in a more positive classroom.
Through our everyday activities, we are investigating and analyzing real-world phenomena. We start to learn this in the classroom with our science practices. Once a solid basis of knowledge is obtained, students can continue to develop their skills by using investigative and analytical practices. Students can explore the world and create things that will enhance their learning in a different format than a traditional classroom. Using these techniques will allow us as future teachers to transform our classrooms to further enhance our students' learning experience. It allows students to become familiar with various learning styles and find what works best for them. Learning these practices is just the beginning of capabilities that these students have.
As future science teachers, it is our responsibility to be agents of change for ourselves and to inspire students to do the same. By using the No Care Do approach, we'll provide our students with a deeper understanding of science topics. We can use our Common Core ideas to connect information through investigative and analytical techniques. By doing all of this, we will create a domino effect that will continue to help education evolve in our ever-changing world for generations.
We are
We are
agents
of change,
And you can be too.